This is the Niger Delta, a vast swamp in Nigeria where the river Niger meets the Atlantic. In 1956, Shell drilled the first oil well in the delta in a village called Oloibiri. Today, Nigeria is the 8th biggest oil exporter in the world.
I don't think it's anything we can be proud of. Because his oil was discovered in the delta, people have known no peace.
The city of crude oil, land where the milk and the honey flows. The glory of Nigeria, the pride of Africa, they were living in the dark.
This fuel and they use this fuel now from this our area. Now we they make Nigeria self rich, but if you come to the Niger Delta, you cannot see anything single of anything, especially the environment. We don't have where to live. We don't have better hospital. We don't have anything. And now when they look, this oil, all these things, the one that they use. Meanwhile, they talk now from my area gone, but see the condition why they. I be illiterate. I don't even go to school because of school fees.
Ife and Tina are volunteers for environmental rights action, the Nigerian Friends of the Earth. They go around.
This is crude oil all over the bush and in fact all the surrounding streams and rivers.
There have been 5,000 major oil spills in the delta in 50 years. 1.5 million tons of oil has been discharged into the creeks, farms and forests. That is like one Exxon Valdez disaster every year for 50 years.
Since Shell started operation here, and some oil spillages, fish, crayfish, lobster, crab, up to snake, they died.
And even the snake, the oil has killed all. Small children are dying.
See, the cassava, they don't rot to finish. The oil now is spoil and like this. So. Our plantain, cassava, cocoyam, everything don't die finish.
All our food, all our fish die finished.
Like our fish ponds that have been damaged, we know that it's a direct effect to us. Our plants, the loss of livelihood, no compensation. So we just lost total, in fact, nothing. And if you talk, the next thing as soon as you talk is military intervention. That is what they do here.
The community asked us to go and do the cleanup. The odor. Me, I was 5 months pregnant. I miscarried. We are 9 women who miscarried.
We know the number of barrels of oil being produced a day.
Every day, 2 million barrels of oil comes up from thousands of meters down in the earth.
Till we get to the community, we are benefiting nothing. Nothing.
The oil is mixed with natural gas. The ice formed on this pipe shows that the oil from this particular well contains lots of gas. Then, most of this natural gas is burnt off in gas flares. Why? Because gas is difficult to ship across the Atlantic. The oil companies can pump the oil faster if they don't have to take care of the gas. Wasting it costs them nothing.
When you stand near that gas flare, the heat, there is something in the fire that when it comes out, it stings in the skin. You lose taste, your tongue, you won't even feel your lips, and it itches. Even at night you can't sleep, you'll be scratching your skin. Poison fire. See a storm. Inside the fire, a cyclone.
Gas flaring in Nigeria releases as much greenhouse gases as 18 million cars. The waste gas worth billions of dollars per year. It could be used to generate electricity for Africa, or it could be re-injected into the earth and kept there for the future. But they burn it. The delta is densely populated with some 20 million people. Many of the flares are located in village lands, some just a few hundred meters from the houses. The flares cause acid rain that damages crops and soil, and they emit hundreds of different toxic substances that are known to cause respiratory disease and cancer.
This is the hell we've been living with for the past 32 years. We have cases that are associated with lungs, breathing problems, asthmatic patients all over the community. Virtually every food we eat from this community is polluted by gas. We are not saying they should give us money. We are saying that gas flaring has to stop. Whichever means they want to do it, we do not know.
They are wicked us. They kill us. Kill our land. There's nothing you can plant in the village again no more. We're hungry. Everything is bad.
We are jobless, everything here. So share is a cost for us. We want share to live alone.
Tell share to leave the country.
Oil should be a blessing, not cost to our land. But I think it's a cost to our land now. You can see our land now. Nothing to show for it. Is it like that in Netherlands, in England, in the Western world? We are dying here.